For the first trick, you need coin. Okay, you can use any coin, and a little paper. Okay, you can write words coin right there. And the concern is the wide. Okay, make sure the paper that used, okay, not bigger than your coin like this. There's a space right here. And for the long is free. You just fold the end like this, and you give a sticky tape right here so that it stick. Okay, so you just stick this paper on your coin, okay, like this. So this is the position. Okay, and the secret is really simple. You just change the direction from this position into this position. Okay, and this is how to do it. So you just place your fingers, hold the coin like this. Okay, this is completely cover the coin, and this look like you just hold the paper. Okay, but in fact you just hold the coin like this. And what you're gonna do, you just flick up the coin in this position. Okay, so here, okay, make sure you just flick, okay, and just release the front and make the coin flip up. Okay, so from the front, okay, like this. It's really visual that the paper turn into a coin. Okay, so one more time here, show, flip, and after that to do the cleanup it's really simple. What you do, you just remove the paper. You can do whatever you want. Okay, after you change from the paper into the coin, you come up and you just remove. Okay, can you just remove the paper? After that, yep, you can palm the paper and just show the coin, and you can even hand out this to your audience. Okay, for the paper you can palm it and you can ditch it. For the second trick, you need one piece of blank paper. You can use any paper, and one coin. Okay, and you can give a little sticky tape, okay, on the coin, and you just stick this coin into your paper. Okay, you just stick it right there. Okay, and second thing is, of course, you need your wallet. Okay, and if you open your wallet, okay, and at this side you can give a little sticky tape too. Okay, so you just take a sticky tape and you can put it about here. Okay, see, you can put your sticky tape about this side of your wallet. And to do the performance, okay, first you need your bill. You can use any bill, and you just fold, okay, as bigger as your paper. Okay, so the bill can hide behind your blank paper like this. Okay, so you can put your bill like this. Okay, and the work, okay, when you place your piece of paper, okay, with your bill like this, and you not have to put it on the sticky tape right here. You just place it right there, and you just close your wallet, and automatically the bill, okay, right there will stick into the sticky tape. And what happened is, when you release, okay, right now you press your wallet, and when you release the tension, the paper will fall down like this and just reveal the bill in front. So to begin, you can set up like this your bill, put it behind your paper, and you can put it on your wallet. Okay, you can choose any compartment on your wallet. Okay, example, I put it, okay, right here. Okay, and I close. I can put it anytime I'm ready. I just bring my wallet. I can remember first. Okay, I show. Okay, I grab these two, the paper and the bill, and show it to the spectator, and I place it right here. I close my wallet. Okay, and I give a little press so the bill will stick into the sticky part on my wallet. And after that, if I release, okay, if I release, the paper will fall down and remain the bill. Romans like this. Okay, I come. Remember, I showing the paper. I put it like this. Okay, close my wallet and give a little press, and all I do is just release the tension, make the paper fall. And you can tilt your wallet a little bit, okay, because this is the open part. Okay, so you just take care the paper will not come out. Okay, After that, I just slowly release and make the paper fall and remain the bill. Okay, so one more time here. Okay, okay. Of course, you do it with, okay, with a wave, and when you wave your hand and just let go, you release, and this will happen, and just turn the paper into the bill. After that, you just, okay, take the bill, okay, by, okay, let go the bill from your sticky tape, okay, like this, and you can put your wallet on your pocket and you can hand out this bill completely to your audience. For the last trick, you need a toothpick and earbud, because this is turn position between these two items. Okay, and first you need to make your a little setup or a little gimmick. Okay, all you do is really simple. You just cut your earbud, okay, in half like this. So you just need this half, and what happen is, okay, when you cut your earbud, okay, you can find a little hole right here. Okay, so you can place your toothpick, okay, by placing, okay, the edge of your toothpick and place it like this. Okay, so you don't have need to glue or whatever. You just, okay, take your toothpick and put it on the hole on your earbud, and this is your setup. And to do the performance, okay, first you need your setup, and you need another toothpick and earbud. Okay, so for the earbud, okay, you can place it on your pocket. Okay, simple. Okay, I put it on my pocket right here. Okay, you can stay right here, and you come, okay, by cover, okay, your setup, okay, by showing only the edge, okay, the earbud, okay, and you can show it like this. Okay, so here, so you come with showing these two items, the toothpick and your earbud. Okay, make sure you hide like this. Okay, and you just place your toothpick on your pocket. Okay, and you can tell spectator right now the toothpick on your pocket, your earbud on your hand. After that, you just do the chain. Okay, this is what happened. Okay, it's really simple. All you do, you just, okay, you just turn over like this. Okay, just spin it. Okay, it's really simple. You can do whatever style. Okay, I just grab and just twist like this. Okay, so here, show it and just twist. After that, okay, because they only stick right there. After you do the chain, you can palm, okay, you can palm and let go and showing like this. Okay, so your pieces of your earbud, okay, is stay on your palm. Okay, one more time, remember. Okay, this is the chain. Okay, so you show, remember, grab and just let go and showing like this. Okay, so here, okay, show, remember, your toothpick on your pocket, your earbud right here, you just do the chain, grab and showing. It's really clean the transformation. After that, just prove that right now the earbuds on your pocket, you can grab, okay, the toothpick, and you come, remember, because right now you palm the piece of your earbud, you just come and just read the normal earbud. At the same time, you put the pieces on your pocket and you just bring out the normal earbud. I can show it around, and yep, you can hand out these two for examination, and this is the unique transposition effect using ordinary item.